you got it. All right, so what's the steps for the combat reload? And basically, sights, slack out, and press. If your grip's a little off, your stance is a little off, as long as the sights are aligned, when you press that trigger, you're gonna have a positive impact. Body mass behind the weapon, backup mass, okay? Good presentation, good trigger control. My sights are gonna move, but as long as they move right here, I'm happy with that. I'm gonna throw some considerations out here, guys, okay? Like I said, this is a lot about theory and everything. So if I'm looking at this vehicle from the front, this is pretty much the way that we standard drive around. So here's scenario one. Y'all stand in front there. I'm still vulnerable. Is this door ballistic? Okay, now what that kind of tells us is during the nighttime, the headlights definitely work for our advantage. It could go mobile, right? And then I could be faced towards the rear, and the tail light lighting is what I have. So we're gonna look at that also.